A very good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen, and all the other English-speaking foreigners in Italy. Good news once again. First of all, let me clarify. I confirm that the Italian in the motorizzazione, the quiz examination shall be given only in these three languages, Italian, German, and French, and not in English. But the only online classes in Italy that can teach you in English so that you can pass your theory in Italian is with AMBRISHQUICKPATENTE. Please find the number down that will indicate where to call so as to get more information about it. And the good news is, as I had announced before, if you have seen my earlier videos, that the Italian government, along with the motorizzazione, have planned to change the syllabus, and also the questions would have been, instead of 40 questions, only 30 questions, and the time span of the exams would be not 30 minutes, but only 20 minutes. Now, this law has been anticipated and is going to start being in effect commencing from 20th December this year itself. So be happy, my students and other people who haven't yet taken the initiative of joining any online classes. AMBRISHQUICKPATENTE is one of the only class that teaches you in the English language so as to be able to pass in the shortest time your theory in Italian language. So don't waste any time, make the best of the opportunity. Now is the time to legally get your Italian driving license, either now or never. So make a move and be extraordinary.